OS X keyboard shortcut to cycle between applications active windows. Here's my problem. I have an older MacBook Pro, late 2007, running 10.6.6. I was able to switch between an application's active window set using the keys, CMD plus and LT, or CMD plus and GT. For example, I could cycle through Finder's open windows, or Chrome's different windows, etc. Both have a German keyboard. Now on my new MacBook Pro, this doesn't work anymore. The combination doesn't do anything, except for letting me hear the bonk sound. How can I get this behavior of cycling through windows back?
The reverse direction is when you additionally press Shift, as far as I know.
This does not seem to work in 10.7.5 when using a Nonus. I am using Swedish keyboard layout on my MVP. Cycle backwards works, but only when the focus is not a text input field, tested in Chrome. Anyway, you can change this setting to an LT, in the same location as described in the previous answer. The problem seemed to be that in many Nonus layouts is a dead key that you typically combine with other characters such as EE and II grave, while in the US layout you have to press to make it a dead key that can be combined with other characters.
Command plus Tab will jump to last open app/window. To go to the previous app in the UI, type Command plus, reverse apostrophe, if that's what it's called. As far as I know, it's not possible to type the key in this interface, as it creates a quote for the following sentence, like this, but it's the same key as tilde, below the escape key in the upper left. If you hold Command after tapping Tab, or to select from open apps either with pointer or by pressing Tab or reverse apostrophe multiple times until you get to your desired app. Once the app is chosen, release the Command key, will jump to the screen that has the selected app. I use the 4-finger swipe up or F3 to show all open screens, windows and apps in Mission Control, also in the dock by default. Mission Control reveals other screens. You can carefully click your desired window from the app in the GUI. Good luck!
For international keyboards, it may make more sense to use Alt/Option plus Tab instead. Especially for previous Windows users like myself. Equals.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.